So you're thinking about moving to Ames, Iowa. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you, we're going to look at 5 different homes between 400 and 471,000. We're going to see what, around $400,000 will buy for you. We're going to look at new construction homes. We're going to see 5 of them. So let's get into that right now. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Des Moines area, then you're going to want to tap subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about what the current market conditions are in the Des Moines area. My name is Andre. I'm with the Des Moines, Iowa real estate team, and we get calls from people like you every day. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call. You can call, text, email, or give me a Zoom call, and we can help you make a smooth move to the Des Moines area, or maybe Ames. All right, so we're here at one of the houses, and check out this view back here. This view is the view you're gonna see from the back deck of the house I'm gonna talk about. It's a beautiful fall day here in Iowa. Fantastic. I love being out here. I love the weather out here. A lot of people say that the weather is a negative, but most of the time the weather is just fantastic here. Anyway, about the neighborhood, this area we're kind of on the west side of Ames, just about as far away as you can get. In fact, the incorporated Ames city line is right over there, so there's not going to be, in fact, I think the line is behind these houses too. So I don't believe that they're going to be building anything behind here, which is a great thing for this neighborhood. You're 10 minutes from ISU, 5 minutes from the interstate right there, and they've got a Mullet's right there by the interstate. So a couple of restaurants close by and gas stations, but you got a 10-minute drive down Lincoln Way just to get to ISU and all the grocery stores and restaurants and all that kind of stuff. So great area. I love Ames. You got 10 minutes to ISU and probably only about 12 minutes to downtown, so you can go on Saturdays to the great farmers market they've got downtown. Anyway, this house right here is $399,900. It's got 1,200 square feet of living space, and then another 1,000 square feet. It's like 980 square feet in the finished basement. You got 2 bedrooms on the main floor, and then 2 bedrooms downstairs. You got 3 baths. So 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's a beautiful home. And I love this neighborhood. Down here, the neighborhood we drive through to get to this neighborhood is really nice. This one is brand new, so that one's not old either, but this one is brand new, so not very many trees, but you can see the fall colors on those trees over there coming through. Anyway, this house is great. It's a great location. One of the things I like about this house is the big picture windows. I call them picture windows, just no panes, really nice, lets a lot of light in, and they're just nice big windows in the living room. And then another thing I really like about this house is the deck, because the deck looks out on that view I showed you, which here I'm going to show you right over here. Right there is just a cornfield right now, and I like that. Maybe feels like you're in the country, so your deck is going to feel very private. It's a nice neighborhood. The sidewalks on both streets. There's no mailboxes like they do a lot in just about every new construction neighborhood. They don't put the mailboxes in front of each house. They put them at a community spot where you just walk or just drive by and pick up your mail somewhere else. So it gives it a nice kind of clean front view. It's a well manicured lawns, that kind of thing, and the garages are big enough for everybody to keep their cars inside the garage. So not a lot of people parking their cars outside. Of course, today is a Saturday, so there might be a few cars parked. There's also a nice park. It's called Sunset Park because it faces west, and it's right on the edge of Ames, just right down the road. I'm going to show you that. And so maybe a good place to take the kiddos or walk the dog, or anyway, it's a great neighborhood and really nice spot to be. All right, the next house I'm going to show you actually is just next door to the one I just talked about. So same neighborhood, same area, great view in the back, same everything. nice deck. There's a walking trail through the neighborhood that's back there that we drove through. I'm gonna take a walk over there and show you that when we're done here. This house is a two-story house, and it's 2,100 square feet of living space. It's got a 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. The basement is unfinished. That can be a positive because you're saving money. They didn't spend the money on finishing the basement, so you save some money, and later on down the road, maybe you want to finish it, spend a little money, and maybe have a nice, I don't know, living space down there. You can put a couple of bedrooms or just a big game room or a theater room or something like that. Again, same builder, so the windows and the light coming through in this house is amazing. You'll see in the pictures. Another great thing about this house, this one in particular, is they've got a nice pantry, nice walk-in pantry, big pantry. So that's, you know, that's a big positive for a lot of people. Anyway, same neighborhood, so I can't tell you a whole lot more about it than I've already told you. The mailboxes are not in the front. Nice, well-kept streets, and a great area all the way here on the west side of Ames. You're kind of in the country, and you're still really close to ISU. There's nothing around Ames that's really far away from ISU, which is where you're going to find all the grocery stores and restaurants and where you want to be, and of course things to do at ISU, football and all the sports you want to go see, and recreation, and a lot of the restaurants are down there. So I love Ames because of that. It's a small town, and everything is nearby, and you got all the activities that come living in a college town. You know, feels young and vibrant because of all the young people here, and a lot of the stuff you can do is, you know, right around, it's kind of built around the college because all that the college brings to the town. So one of the great things about living in Ames is that it's a college town. All right, this is the walking trail that I wanted to show you. Back there are the houses that I showed you. Well, one of the houses is back there, and the other two are kind of over there. But anyway, the walking trail that goes through the back of the houses. I love when developers do stuff like this. Got a little library, share books, you know, and it gives you a nice place to walk that's not on the streets, and you can, you know, you got views of a little, in this case, a grassy area. I'm gonna coming up on it right now, and then you can take a walk that is not on the streets. Nice little grassy area. There's another spot in the same neighborhood on this walking trail that has a little pond, and back over there is another grassy area behind the houses that I was showing you before. So I really like this. This creates a nice green space that's not a park, that's behind everybody's home, that everybody can enjoy, and then they have a little walking trail. So I just wanted to show you that. All right, so I'm here at the park. I love these walking trails. As you can tell, I keep talking about them. But anyway, this walking trail here actually leads to the park. This is the park I talked about. This is Sunset Ridge Park. There it is. They call it Sunset because it's facing west right here, and that is the edge of the Ames Corporation, Ames City Corporation, whatever you want to call it. So they're not going to be building any homes right there anytime soon unless they expand that. So it's a great little park in the same neighborhood with all those houses that I just showed you. All right, so the next house again is in the same neighborhood. You can see this is the community spot where you pick up your mail, and check out the lake over there. It's quite nice for kind of views for a lot of these houses. So not much more to say about the neighborhood. I've already talked a lot about this neighborhood. It's on the west side of Ames, kind of on the edge. You can see back here, there's, well, you can't really see it, but on the other side of that is just cornfields or soybean fields, whatever they plant. And, you know, close to a couple of parks and nice sidewalks. You know, this is a great little neighborhood. The house I'm going to show you is $439,550. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with 2,100 square feet on the main living space above grade, and then downstairs is an unfinished basement. Again, just like on the other house, so that you you're not paying for something that you might not use or might not be ready to have just yet, and you can have it later. This house, it looks like I don't think it's built by the same builder. And actually it's not, but they're building with the same windows. It's really, really nice in there. The windows are, I call them plate glass windows. No panes, nice and big, lets in a lot of light, really nice. And one of the added features on this house is it's got the tray ceiling, so that adds a lot of character to the house. Something I really like. Just a couple of little extra amenities in this house. That's why it's a little more. And so, great spot. I can't really talk too much more about this area. I've already told you on the last two houses what this area is like. Anyway, nice house. These are all, I'm going to show you all new construction homes. Young trees, everything that comes along with new construction. Another thing that comes with new construction is construction. So you may have to put up with that. Maybe you might think that's a negative, but in most of this neighborhood is built out. You can see there's not a lot of new construction over there, but there's a couple of houses here and there. There's a couple of lots that they're going to build houses on. All right, so the next house is also in the same neighborhood. I guess most of the houses in this price range, new construction, are in this neighborhood. So anyway, the house I'm going to show you is right over here. I wanted to see, you can see the pond back there and the covered deck. That's one of my favorite things about this house. So anyway, again, same neighborhood, so there's not much to say about the area. This house that I'm walking in front of, it is $471,409 is what the cost is. It is basically on the main floor. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and then they've got another bedroom and another full bathroom in the basement. So 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,506 square feet on the main floor, and then another 795 square feet finished in the basement. And then of course there's some unfinished basement down there. Like I said before, my favorite thing about this house, of course, they've got the tray ceilings, a lot of amenities in this house. That's why it brings the cost. And this house, unlike the other houses, has a finished basement, so that's another reason why it's a little bit more expensive. You got the tray ceilings and the nice bedrooms and a nice little bar in the basement. It's a daylight basement, but the view from the back of the house has got that pond, so great view back there. So anyway, beautiful home. I really like the view of the pond. You can see it right back there, and nice house, great area. And look, if you're moving to this area, you're moving either really soon, like in 9 days, or maybe in 9 months, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to this area. You can text, email, give me a phone call, we get on a Zoom call. I'd be happy to help you. All right, we're here at a different neighborhood. We're on the north side of Ames. So you're real close to the Ames Country Club golf course, and you're only a couple of miles away from Ada Hayden Heritage Park, where they've got that three-mile paved trail right around the lake. Great place to ride your bike, take a walk. They've got a fishing pier. Anyway, nice. And then you're only 2 miles from Somerset, which is a great spot where you can do shopping and grocery shopping and little shops and restaurants. So a good location. You're still only 15-minute drive from ISU. So that's what I love about Ames. Even as far out as you can go, because we're as far north as you can go and still be in the Ames town. And you're still only 15 minutes from ISU, right there by the and downtown, where you can go to the farmers market. So it's kind of a big small town, anyway, I just love Ames. This house here is it's $424,900. It is 1,627 square feet, all living on one level. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. They've got a lot of luxury finishes in there. One of the highlights is the covered deck in the back. So one of the great things about this is it's a 0 entry. So no steps getting in or out of the house. You can see right there the front door, no entry. Same thing in the garage. This has got a shared wall, but they've designed this really, really well. I don't see this very often, but the shared wall is in the garage. So if you're going to have a shared wall, that's the perfect spot. So you're not going to hear your neighbors. And so if this is the kind of life living that you would like, with a zero entry and a nice home and a great price point. All right, check this out. This is one of the trails at Ada Hayden Heritage Park. You can see the lake over there. That's where the fishing pier is. In my other video that you're going to see. Look at the fall colors in the trees. It is a gorgeous day here in Iowa. A beautiful walk here at Ada Hayden. And look, the last house that I showed you with the shared wall is only a couple of blocks that way. So if you're in this area, you're within walking distance of this park. What a fantastic park. Beautiful. So anyway, there you have it. Those are the 5 houses, all new construction in a great town. So look, if you're thinking about moving to this area, and whether it's real soon, like in 9 days, or it's going to be a while, maybe 9 months, you're just looking around, give me a call. I'd love to help you make a smooth move to this area. You can text, email, get on a Zoom call, give me a phone call. Anyway, love to talk to you, and I'd love to help you.